You have the Vortex J24 and you're having problems getting it to power on. Let's check a couple of things. First thing I want you to check is make sure the back cover is all the way clicked on. It can keep the buttons from functioning right. Squeeze it, make sure it's all closed up. The next thing to check, go ahead and take the back cover all the way off, is to make sure that your buttons are not gunked up with gunk on this side of the phone itself or on the inside of the cover. If you've got an old paintbrush, go ahead and clean it up that way. With the back cover off, the next thing you check is make sure your battery is not failing. A failing battery is going to look like this, where the seams are starting to come apart and it's going to get puffy. Make sure your battery's healthy. The next thing to check is your charging cord and charging brick. Sometimes they just fail. Borrow someone else's, see if it gives your phone a charge and powers on. Next thing to check, make sure that your charging port is not gunked up, keeping your phone from being charged. Hopefully one of those helps you get your phone to power back on. Thanks for watching.